Hey guys, welcome to the fastest and easiest method to bake a turkey. This is gonna be like a Call of Duty tutorial, so stand by and follow each step accordingly. Here's the ingredients you need: garlic, lemon, yellow onion, unsalted butter, 3 of them, and some fresh thyme and sages. And then these are the concoctions you're gonna make together: sage, thyme, garlic powder, kosher salt, and black pepper. We're gonna mix that all together. All right, we're gonna start seasoning it overnight. We're gonna get one of these right here. Make sure you grab your butterball chicken and make sure all the juices are nice and out. Once you got that turkey nice and rinsed, make sure you put it in there and then you can get started with the seasoning. By seasoning this tonight with some garlic. Put that garlic, smother the garlic all over him. Get his hole. We're gonna go get some butter. Then you're gonna get that unsalted butter and you're gonna get 1 stick. Get that stick of butter, put it in a nice plate and blah. Then you want to get your thyme and your sage. You should have some PPE concoction. You want to put both your sage and your thyme in there. And when you got that together, mix it up. Make sure it goes in that hole. We was done. Now we got to inject it. Now get 1 more block of butter. Do the same. Then you're going to want to pop out with that needle, my boy. You got that sage and thyme in there. Put 1 more slight coat of garlic and it should look like this bad boy. And then we're gonna cover it up and we'll see you tomorrow morning. It's now the next day, and make sure you have all these ingredients because we're about to make them into a broth. Then you're gonna want your garlic, your lemon, and your yellow onion. You wanna cut each one in half. Now these ingredients are gonna stick together. Reveal your turkey after a night of sitting. Grab all these ingredients and shove it in this hole. Just shove it in. Get that butter and we're gonna melt it all in this. Now it's nice and melted. Be careful, it's hot. Now mix all these ingredients together into the butter. And then we're gonna pour this all over the turkey and we're gonna inject it into our turkey as well. Leftover seasoning, maybe grab it, put it over your chicken, your turkey. Same as yesterday, suck up some of that juice. Once you got that in there, ooh, you can tell it filled up. Ooh. Really get in that breast. Mix this up a little bit more because it might have thickened up, and give it a good slide everywhere. Ooh. Get in there too. And legs and so. Make sure you get that extra butter that fell, just make sure the turkey's showered. And if you want, you can put some fresh herbs into your turkey hole. Get in. Now it's time to take your turkey into the oven. So here we go. Make sure it's nice and warm, preheated at 350, and then we're gonna stuff it in there. We're gonna use half the hours to cook the turkey with a cover, and then half the other hours to cook it without the cover. There you go. Stick it in there. So I'm gonna cook this turkey for about 6 hours. So we're gonna leave it in there for about 3 hours and then take off the top. Let it cook another 3 hours until preparation. I'll see you in a couple hours, baby. And there you go. You got yourself a baked turkey. It's going to fall off the bone. It's so good. All your family's going to be like, where you learn how to cook? You're going to be like, J Game, Jessica Castillo on YouTube. Subscribe, guys. I'll see you later. Peace out.